Hello, fellows. Um, some friends told me that my work on Edimodo is not available, so I decided to follow some steps for you to create a trip using the tool builder. Well, I consider myself one of the worst students on technology classes, so you probably will do a better job. I am absolutely sure. So the first thing you have to do is to use this address. The address is tourbuilder.withgoogle.com, and then it will lead you to this page. What you have to do is to create a tour. So we click here, and then we have to use a name. You have to put a name for this tour. I will call in interesting places, just for you to know, right? And you have to write the name of the author. This is me, and then we create. Now it will show you this. You have immediately the name of the tour, the author, and then we have to add location. Why add location? This is our first stop, okay? So I want to present you Praia de Gaibu. Praia de Gaibu, okay? When we write this, um, the system shows you some options. This is Gaibu Beach, Cabo de Santo Agostinho. This is my city, so I select this. And then we have to add to tour, okay? When I do it, when I decide to add this to my tour, so Google shows me the place, and then what I have to do is tour, and I zoom it. Okay, let's go. I zoom. What is cool is that you will have the picture of the place you want to show. So if you want to, let me suppose that I want this. This is the picture I want. I can also use Shift and the arrows up and down for me to change the position of the picture of the image. So here you have this tool, lock this view. So the framework, the white one, it means this is the area that will appear to your picture. I want this, okay? And if I wanted to add pictures of this place, I still have the possibility to search on the net if I don't have pictures on my computer. So I use Praia de Gaibu, and then here I have some options. I will choose these two pictures. I can select as many pictures as I want, okay? When I select this, I click this button, and then the pictures are available on my tour. Well, if you are given a class of any subject, you can type here the proper text, your own text about the place. So I can say, for example, this is a wonderful beach. I said beach. Okay. This is a wonderful beach. Okay. And then when I finish, this is the start date and the end date. We usually don't use it. You don't want to say that you are going to start your trip when you are if you select this to give a class. Of course, it doesn't make sense if you start and when you finish, right? so we don't need to use it. So here we go, right? So it's done. What we have to do now is to add another location following the same step. On purpose, I'm going to do something for you to figure out something about the lock this view. For example, let's go to the Louvre Museum in Paris. So can you see some options come, and I select this. I want this. Then I add to tour. Can you see this yellow strip? It comes from the first stop to this one. This is cool because you have the idea of a real trip. This is nice. Okay, and then I type something. For example, it is a museum that everyone, this is a museum that everyone must see. Okay, so you can type using what you think is better, the best information for your students. This is the museum that everyone must see. Okay, that's all right. Now when I start zooming, okay, I do the same. Yeah. But lock this view is still available. That's cool. Okay. All right. So this is the picture of the Louvre Museum. If I am satisfied with this view, I can lock it. If I do it, this is the place. This is the area that will be shown in your picture. I can say that I'm satisfied with this, and if I want to select pictures from the web, I can also search like we did before. So here we go, Louvre Museum. We have some available pictures here, right? So I say I'm satisfied with this and this and this. Okay, I selected 3, and then it will be available on my tour. Okay, and then let's add another location just for you to see. So we went to Gaibu Beach, the place where I live, then the Louvre Museum, and now let's see, I want to go to the Grand Canyon. So the options comes, I realized that National Park is the place that I want, and then we go, right? We add to tour, and then Google leads me to that place. I zoom in, I do it. Here we go. This is the Grand Canyon, one of the most amazing place I have ever been. Okay, just remember that if you use the shift and the arrow up and down, you can select a different angle of your picture. Okay, I can say that I'm satisfied, so I add to my tour, you see, and then if I want to add some pictures, I can follow the same instruction. Okay, I search, but if I have this on my computer, I can use it. Okay, I can use it. I upload photo, select photos from my computer, and I have here the photos. Let me see. This is Grand Canyon. Where's the Grand Canyon? I don't remember. We have so many pictures. Okay. So let's use to save time. Let's search on the net. Then we have this possibilities. I chose these pictures. I select them. They are available here, and I can touch something. An amazing place, and blah blah blah. Okay, just for you to see how it works, and so on. So what is cool is that for each stop the global movies, and it's very cool, and this yellow stripe will lead you to each trip. Okay, this is nice. So remember the lock this field, it's selected, and then I am satisfied. What I have to do now is to let me see here. I don't want to edit anything. Everything is okay. I want to save this. It's done now. Okay, it's done. So let's check this. Whenever you go to Tour Builder your account, you'll check your my tours. When you check this, you'll see that it was interesting places I created. Remember, I do it and I check this. Now let's start our tour. Let's go. So the first stop is Praia de Gaibu. We have some pictures here and we have a text. So if you want to, your given class about geography or history or whatever discipline it is, you can text your own information, as much information as you want. Right, this is the picture that I selected. Remember this one, and then I can also show more pictures that I selected, and I can have my explanation about this place. The next stop is the Louvre Museum. So here we go. You see, as it is a far place, the globe moves, and the yellow stripe leads me to the next stop. So here we go. It was the Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum, because I clicked it twice and it took me to the last stop. Here we go. The Louvre Museum. This is the same. Okay? So it's okay. So I'm sure that you understood the idea. If I click to the last one, then we go to the last one, that was the Grand Canyon, and so on. I think it's a very interesting way to show different places, and I think students, they feel more motivated to see. All right? I hope you have enjoyed it. It's so easy. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.